Hey guys, Trina here, back with another 30 days of art tutorials, day 7. Today I'm taking an old piece and I'm going to do a wax monoprint over it with some oil paint and see what happens. Normally I don't do cover up old art, but this one had some promising starts and it was still a good piece of paper, so why not? It's practice, right? So here you see me adding in some R&F paint sticks and some oil paint and squishing it around, making lines. And I'm going to flip this over and press it down onto the paper using my brayer to smooth it out. And again, making more marks with the palette knife, and voila. I'm gonna add in, so there's still a little bit more on there, so I'm gonna add in using my brayer to make a second print. Looks a little messy, but we're gonna take out some of the remove and scrape and excavate into the surface to see what we can find. And I kind of like it. I think it's interesting. It's an interesting technique. I maybe got too much paint on the wax, but maybe next time we'll use a little bit less wax. And then I'm going to cut out a stencil of one of my fun shapes just on a piece of printer paper, and using a paint stick we're gonna make a big bold mark. So that's it for this tutorial. Watch till the end and you'll see the final result, and as always, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good Monday. Bye.